Understanding Font Licensing, a guide for beginners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a topic that's important for designers, writers, and anyone who works with text: font licensing. Understanding this concept is crucial in the world of digital media and design. So, let's dive in and demystify font licensing. Font licensing is an agreement or permission to use a specific typeface or font. Fonts are the different styles of text you see, like Times New Roman or Arial. Just like music or movies, fonts are created by designers and are protected by copyright laws. This means you can't use them freely without permission. Licensing gives you the legal right to use the font in specific ways, such as in a document, website, or advertisement. Ignoring font licensing can lead to legal problems, like copyright infringement. This is when you use a font without permission, similar to using someone's music without their consent. For businesses and creators, respecting font licensing is crucial to avoid legal issues and fines. It also supports font creators, ensuring they get credit and compensation for their work. 1. Free fonts. These fonts are available at no cost, but always check the license. Some are free for personal use only, not for business. 2. Commercial licenses. These are paid licenses for commercial use. Prices vary based on usage, like in a logo or large advertising campaign. 3. Open source fonts. These fonts allow more freedom, including modifying the font itself, but still come with certain conditions. You can obtain a font license by purchasing it from the font creator or a font distributor. Always read the license agreement carefully to understand what you're allowed to do with the font. For free fonts, download them from reputable websites and ensure they come with the right license for your needs. We hope this video has helped you understand font licensing and its importance in the digital world. Remember, respecting font licenses is not just about following the law, it's about supporting the creative community. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.